This clip is on ironing a men's dress button-down shirt. Start at the top with your collar. Face up. Next is sleeves. If you take it in this order, you won't end up putting creases back where you just finished ironing. Flatten your sleeve down, iron towards the shoulder. Turn your iron around, go towards the cuff. Turn the sleeve over, starting at the shoulder, then cuff. Repeat that with the other sleeve. Shoulder, cuff. All right, now you're going to go to the top back of the collar. Flatten it over the pointed end of your board towards the seam at the collar. Turn it around, the other back, towards the seam. Now your bottom half of the back. Flatten it down towards the top. Start at the top, move towards the bottom. Go back to the top, back to the bottom. This will keep the top from wrinkling as you're ironing the bottom. Go around your little pleat in the back, go up the pleat, down the other side of the pleat. Then go down to your bottom. Finish off. Same way. Now the two fronts. On the buttonhole side, start at the bottom. Get that placard. And then turn the shirt. So now you can do the top. Go towards your seam. On the button side, you're going to do the opposite. Start at the top. Around your buttons. And then the bottom. There you have it. Now you either want to hang it up or put it on.